Pressure vessel heads like this, processed by our intelligent cutting robot. The robot autonomously plans the cutting trajectory, powered by LE 3D vision system, automatically scanning contours and positional deviations, utilizing plasma cutting technology, compatible with carbon steel, stainless steel, and more. Delivering high-precision openings and bevel cuts. Superior finish minimizes post-processing grinding. Integrated with the LE AI cutting system, detecting deformation and dynamically adjusting paths in real time. Ensuring consistent dimensions and bevel angles, meeting stringent welding standards for pressure vessels. Beyond pressure vessels, widely applied to tank bodies, shell courses, and nozzles, reinforcement pads, forged flanges, and nuclear waste containers. Interested? Contact us in the comments. We've got you covered.